Hello, welcome to the vlog series. Before the video begins, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications as to when a new video will be posted onto this channel. Enjoy! How's it going, everybody? Shaun here, another day, another vlog. As you can see right in front of you, I have some very cool looking Lego sets. Let me just honestly say that I haven't played with Legos in a very long time. Like, I used to get Legos for like Star Wars and Bionicle and just random Legos here and there, but I've rarely gotten anything from Harry Potter. So what got me interested in playing with Legos again? Well, I saw a recent post on Instagram of somebody building these particular sets, and I'm like thinking, these look awfully cool. Why don't I do a video series about these? So that's what I'm doing. Very quickly, let's take a look at these boxes here. As you can see, we have the different sets. Like I stated, there's 4, and each one is about a particular classroom at Hogwarts. And each box contains different characters. There's 2 characters that are students and 1 character that is a professor. Because these are classrooms, you need a teacher in order to teach your classes, right? As you can see, I am currently wearing my Gryffindor robe. As you can see, I've got my ash wand right here. I'm ready for class. So which classroom should we head into first? I think our first class should be Transfiguration. So that's what we're going to do right here. The Transfiguration classroom. As you can see, it looks like a book, and it's red, which is basically like the Gryffindor colors. You may notice that on the box there are 3 characters, Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger, both Gryffindors, and the professor is Professor McGonagall. All 3 of these, by the way, are Gryffindors, so the book looks red, which is supposed to be the prominent color of Gryffindor. Now, as we look at the back of the box, you're going to notice that the book opens up into the Transfiguration classroom. And as you can see, Professor McGonagall is teaching Hermione and Ron there to turn the cup into a rat or vice versa. It's got different decals in some of the windows, different little set pieces and all that. So I think without further ado, it's time to start studying. 2 bags of different pieces here, decals there, much larger pieces that don't need to be in bags. Last but not least, we have the instructions manual. Ooh, this is actually kind of cool. Look at that. You got the Hogwarts crest right there. I'm going to go ahead and dump out all of the pieces right there. Oops, there's one right there in the bag. I'm going to look for the body pieces. Oh, the body pieces are right here. So I have one here. Here's some hair. Okay, here's another one. Oh, I found Professor McGonagall's top part right here. And I think, nope, these are the student, one of the student legs right there. Here's McGonagall's dress or skirt. Okay. Here's her hat right here. Kind of reminds me of the sorting hat a little bit. Oh, this is kind of a cool piece. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can. It's got a little bit of a glitter look on that piece. I've never seen pieces of Lego like that. Can you believe that? This is new stuff for me. Ah, I found her. Here's Professor McGonagall's face right here. There she is. Professor McGonagall right there. You can change their heads from a worried expression to a happy expression. So on this one, we're going to give this one a happy face. Whoops. And on this one, we'll put a rather worried face. I know Ron worries a lot, so we're going to give this one the Ron look. There we go. There's Ron Weasley right there. And of course, this one will be Hermione Granger. Let me find her legs here. Here we go. Giving her legs. Here's the Hermione Granger hairdo. There she is, right there. Now, these actually come with little wands that you can give them. So I'll get to that a little later on. Right now, I'd say it's time to start building, literally. Oh, and before I forget, look at this. This bag contains like little tiny pieces of like cups and figures. Look, there's a little statue right there. And there's a snail in here. I'm like, this is insane. Like, when I used to play Legos, they didn't get this detailed, ever. Like, I remember when these guys were only yellow characters. That's how old I am. Got one little set piece done. Got a whiteboard done. Now it's time to do the book. That's funny. It's got candles on there. That is cool. And with that, I have finished my first Harry Potter Lego set. The Transfiguration room is complete. The students are ready to learn. Professor McGonagall is all set. To be honest, this was actually pretty easy to build. I'm pretty much betting that some of the other ones will be a lot more difficult. I'm pretty much betting that when we get to a lot of the other bigger sets, they will take longer, but this one was actually pretty easy to build. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Shaun, this was pretty basic. Why don't you go to the bigger ones? Oh, don't worry. Many more sets and videos will be coming very soon. Just to give you an idea, take a look at all the ones I've built. More coming, guys. Stay tuned. This is just the first of many. Until then, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications as to when a new video will be posted onto this channel. To see more, check out my other channels, the Educational Series, the Design Video Series, and the Travel Town Series. To stay connected, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Once again, thanks for watching.